Welcome back to our multi-part series on getting started with strobes. In our last video, we introduced a single strobe light for studio and outdoor photography. All of the images we made bare tube right out of the strobe. Today, we'll be shaping our light using a variety of light shaping tools. We'll take them slowly, one at a time, and discuss why you might choose one over another. Light shaping is a very nuanced process. Shaping light can be as simple as reflecting your strobe off of a wall, ceiling, or other reflective surface. And this is perhaps the simplest way to increase the size of your light and soften output. Softboxes are available in a variety of different shapes and sizes and produce large, soft light. Boxes sit in front of the fixture and deliver gentle, flattering illumination. Softboxes reduce harsh shadows and improve the transition from shadow to midtones to highlights and are a great general tool for flattering a general subject. Umbrellas are among the easiest light shaping tools to set up. Shoot-through options deliver a general flattering light similar to that of a softbox, while reflective umbrellas create large circular illumination. Umbrellas have limited control but are extremely portable, flexible, and easy to use. Well suited for portraiture, the beauty dish is a reflector that produces both hard and soft light. Using a parabolic reflector, high contrast is the signature aesthetic of the beauty dish. Large and solid standard offerings are studio staples, but in recent years, collapsible beauty dishes have made their mark in environmental portraiture. Grids, also known as honeycomb grids, are small discs that fit in front of the strobe. They control the beam angle or spread of the light, and this is measured in degrees. The lower the number, the more focused the beam. This is an invaluable tool for highlighting specific elements of a photo and precisely controlling the direction of your light. Gels add specific color and can transform the read of an image. Some systems have specific gel or grid holders for pre-cut color gels. Of course, you can always clip or tape a gel to the front of your fixture to get the desired effect. Have fun and experiment with different colors for key, fill, and background lights. A snoot is a conical modifier that fits in front of the fixture and focuses the beam down, almost like a spotlight. A fantastic tool for placing emphasis on a smaller part of the frame, the tunnel effect of the snoot only allows light to travel to a select portion of the photo. Now, there are many light modifiers and light shaping variations on the market, so get out there and experiment, mix and match, and above all else, have fun. In our next video, we'll put together everything that we learned so far and use multiple lights and modifiers to make pictures. For more on all things strobe photography, visit B&H. I'm photographer David Flores. See you next time.